Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we are going to be looking at the March SCT Sampler Kit and playing with it. So let me show you what is included in my kit. Every kit usually comes with a theme card and a word featuring the theme, and then usually an acrylic piece. Sometimes it's a foam sticker, but usually it's acrylic. And so the theme for this one is Shine. We also often get a tool. In this case, it is this painted tulip stamp set from Concord and Ninth. It's really pretty. Excited about that. And we received a Color Vibe Brights alphabet sticker sheet. I got it in red. I'm assuming that different kits will have different colors. We also usually receive two collections. The first collection is Little Dreamer Girl from Echo Park. And so I'll just show you the embellishments that I received, the ephemera pieces. Also received part of a sticker sheet. I'm a little disappointed because some of them got trimmed off at the top, but you know, it is what it is. A 4x6 card. A 3x4 card, and a 4x4 card. In addition to the embellishments, we do receive some 6x6 paper. This one's kind of got all the themes in one. And then this is a coral heart, the rainbow pattern. This is a tone-on-tone star pattern. Coffee, teacups, mugs, a light blue plaid, dots and hearts, and this is a tone-on-tone star, kind of like a peachy pink. And then a large floral with a stripe, and a small floral, and green tone-on-tone plus sides. I love Echo Park paper, so this is really exciting to get to play with that. The second collection is Party Time from Creative Memories, and I've got some ephemera pieces. Creative Memories has really upped their game in the last little while. Some enamel pieces, and then part of a sticker sheet. And then they call these matte packs. I think it's like 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And then the papers. Now these are papers. They are not cardstock, like they're thin. So that hasn't changed any. This is birthday motifs on a red background. Get some cupcakes. Happy birthday on some blue. Got some banners. Purple stars. Multicolor dot. Another multicolor dot, only really small. I hope you can see that. A bold green stripe, and this is a green triangle, tone on tone. And then some candles, multicolored, and then a yellow broken stripe, I guess. We also received some sequins. They don't come in this tin. I just put them in there to contain them. They were kind of just loose in the bag, so I did contain them for ease of use. My guess is that they're probably from Echo Park, but it doesn't really say on the card, so I'm not sure. So let me see what I come up with, and I will be back to show you what I made using the kit. Okay, so I think I'm calling this one done. These are all the scraps that I have left. These are just going to get recycled. This is from both collections, so not much paper. This is what I have left on the sticker sheet. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to keep these. I'm just not worth it at this point, so I'm going to recycle those. One ephemera piece, also recycling. I have 2 stickers left of this one, which I'm also recycling. And then I did use some of the alphas, but I will put this in with my alpha stash. For the Creative Memories product, I made a bunch of cards. Again, what I like to do with these is make similar cards just to speed up the process. So all 4 of these are basically very similar in design. I used a tag card base and then a strip of paper of some size and then some sort of embellishment. I added some green stars from my stash. This was from the kit, same with those dots were from the kit as well. I then still had supplies left over, so I made a couple more cards. Nothing fancy here, just getting it done. These were some clear stickers from my stash that I laid down on some cardstock and then trimmed them out to give them some opacity. So that was what, 7 cards? So then from the Echo Park collection, I did a series of pages. I did a 12 by 12 and then some pocket pages. I had to pull in some, sorry for the glare, I had to pull in some card bases from my stash, but then I just decorated it with stickers and ephemera from the collection. Now, I made a big boo-boo on here, and I'm confessing. I dropped the shine crooked, and it ended up with a whole bunch of glue spots, and I really wasn't going to do this over again. And so I just sprayed it with shimmer to kind of mask it. So that is why it is a super shiny and sparkly, and it's a 2-year-old girl, and it's her birthday, so I figure why not? Let's just go with it. This is the pocket page on the other side. Again, I had to pull in a couple. This was a card base. This was a card base from my stash. And I just added the alpha stickers here, a strip of paper that I had left over to connect everything. This was an ephemera piece, and that was a sticker. And then the last page was this one here. So if you had watched a recent video I had posted on using my stash, I was using chipboard. In particular naked chipboard as an item in my stash that I don't use all that often. And I had this 12 by 12 piece of chipboard that's actually just a discard. Inside were all, you know, chipboard shapes. And I just thought it was kind of cool and kept it for like 11 years, thinking one day I would do a layout with it. And that's what I did with this one. I used punched out papers behind some and then photos under others, and then in some of them I embellished them with stickers and sequins. And then to tie everything in, I did add some of that spray glitter on some to finish it off and tie it together. So that's it. That's what I came up with using the March SCT Sampler Kit. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, happy crafting.